Hello, everyone. Welcome to a beautiful day on the island. We are here for the grand opening of the bunkhouse. Ah, yes. Hopefully, you guys watched the video of installing the screen door. So, I'm going to kind of voice over some of this to show you before and after pictures. Um, the floor was half wood and half concrete. So, the first thing that we did was pulled out that wall, pulled out the floor, had David, and Macaulay out, and they poured me a new concrete floor. It's nice and stable. Poured a pad here, and poured the pad under the Forerunner. So that was a big upgrade. Coming on in, we got the nice table and a bunch of things from Francis, the TV. Thanks, Francis. After the concrete was down, we put down a little padding and some LVP floors. Danny helped me with that one. Thanks, Danny. Kate found the table at the resale shop on the island, which is pretty cool. We brought up the couch. And then once I had the wall built, which I included a space above because this area is so small, I wanted good airflow. So I built the wood wall, put that in, stained all the logs, did the tile on around the fireplace and the pad, and did the same tile for the door. And you guys probably don't notice, but running along the bottom is actually the foundation. So I covered that with the same tile. Just a little continuity, you know. Set the fireplace up. It's another video you guys should go watch. So I split the wall. I moved the door over to the right, which gives me a nice closet space there. A nice big opening. Closet's all done. We got our shelves and our wire hanger. We got a bed for Rosie, the dog. I got the curtain rod and rods up. We just got a nice rug. And it's very tight in here. I can almost not even shoot it, but who doesn't love a memory foam king size bed? I mean, come on. We got the wall all painted, and a ceiling fan above the bed. And if we're gonna go back out here, we're going into the kitchen. So we got our fridge back in the nook. We got the countertop all done and installed. Hope you guys watched that video. That was kind of fun making that. We got our little garbage can. This was a repurposed old cabinet top that I painted up and made for more storage. We got the kitchen area with the black pipe shelving. Obviously coffee maker, toaster oven. Kate shined up and has been cleaning up after me for weeks. We got the new induction range there. I got all the cabinets inside and out all painted. So those came out pretty nice. Bathroom I didn't do too much. It was just a lot of cleanup and paint. New trim. We got a new mirror, new lights. But that was all cleaned up. The cabinet was there originally. I just pulled it down and cleaned it up. Got some trim around the outside. Cleaned up the shower. Kate cleaned real good. So, yeah, I'm just kind of trying to go around, and I want the before and after shots if I can kind of get them. So I'll give you a couple of these. But yeah, that is the bunkhouse, folks. We are done. So with that said, I really want to thank you guys for coming out and watching all my stuff, and there's a lot more to come. I got a bunch of projects, and bunch of things to do. So please stay tuned for more and make sure you subscribe. Subscriptions make a big difference on YouTube. I need to get so many subscribers to start unlocking monetization, and yeah, that is key. So, all right, guys, have a great weekend, and stay tuned for more. As always, have a good one. Bye bye.